Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy snack using deli meat, cream cheese, and vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your preference. We're going to roll it up and cut it up, and it's going to be real fun to eat. Let me show you how it's done. I have 2 pieces of ham, and one thing that's important that you want to do is get a thicker cut ham so it doesn't break apart on you too easily. You want to be careful working with it. Sometimes it breaks up a little bit, it's okay. And then I have a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon just to make sure that I don't do too much of the cream cheese. This is the cream cheese that has 1/3 less fat in it, so that way we get that creaminess still. We get a little bit of protein, but not too much of the fat. So we have a tablespoon there, and I'm gonna use my finger here to drop it onto the deli meat. And now I'm gonna spread that cream cheese as evenly as possible on the ham. It's best to leave the cream cheese out for a little bit to make it easier to spread. And also, this is the only spreader I had on hand right now. It's easier to use a knife if you have it. Once you have the cream cheese spread out, you can choose the vegetable that you want. I have a green onion, which adds a nice bite to it. You can do a red bell pepper and just cut it into a straight strip, or you could even do cucumber or celery if that's your preference. So I'm just gonna cut this green onion so it fits inside the deli meat. So now we're gonna fold this piece of deli meat over and roll it. We're gonna cut it in slices, and this is the way that you can serve it for yourself to make it fun, or this is something that you could even serve to guests as a little healthy protein snack. You could put black olives in here. I mean, you can get very creative. I even thought that with the cream cheese, you can add a little bit of like everyday bagel seasoning or some ranch powder seasoning to give it a little bit of flavor. Yep, and that's it.